just those three chords.
Come on straight, or come on late, and you come home early.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So the first, we'll start over. Yeah, let's start. Come on straight, and you come. No, it's the early first.
It's early first.
Okay,
Come
so
on late, come on early. Yeah.
come on late, and you come home early. Come on big when you're feeling small. We can probably slow it down a little, right? I think they drag it a little. Yeah, not too much, but like I'll just, so it's more like, we try it out. You come home late and you come home early. Yeah. You come home big when you're feeling small. Come home straight and you come home curly. I know it's kind of coming on. What does he say? What in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken speed of the sound of loneliness. I've been running just to be on the run. I got a heart that burns with a fever.
Right.
I got a worried and jealous mind. How can love that lasts forever be left so far behind? What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. I've been running just to be on the run. What's the last verse? That's the one.
I think it just goes back to the chorus. I think that's all the words.
Is it?
I think it might be. I was
No,
surprised.
I swear there's one. Maybe I'm wrong.
You might be right, but I kept thinking that there was, and I don't think there is. I think he just repeats that chorus like 4 times.
No, there's one more. It's oh my God, it's something burns with the. Man, I almost had it there for a second. There is one more though.
Oh, why do we carry computers?
I know, right?
My signal is kind of sucky here, though. It's going back to G, 14,
'Cause I've been running just to be on the run.
Trying to print a larger version.
We've just about got him, but
Awesome.
I'm on Cowboy.
It's a mighty mean and dreadful sorrow. That's the
Oh,
freaking
okay,
line,
yeah, you're right. Okay.
It's
And that's hard to hear.
How can you ask me about tomorrow when we ain't got one word?
Yeah.